Hello everyone, and welcome back to this year's Tax Slips and Tax Tips for 2025. My name is Aaron Arnold and I am a portfolio manager here at IA Private Wealth and Luft Financial. And today I'm going to run you through our updated tax presentation, and my goal today is one thing: to make tax time easier for you. It's everyone's 12th favorite time of year, tax time, that falls right between winter holidays and summer fun. It's that time of year where the government knows exactly how much we owe them and what we should be paying them, but they want us to figure it out and do the math for them just to make sure. And in case we get it wrong, they'll penalize us. But today, I'm going to run you through all the steps to make sure that tax time goes as smoothly and easily as possible and that we don't make any mistakes. The first thing I'd like to do is recommend that everybody visit our website at luftfinancial.com. From there, if you click the Client Resources tab and Tax Time, you'll be able to find all kinds of useful information that'll help you get through this tax season. What to expect this tax season? Here's a summary of what I'm going to be covering and going through today. Which tax slips should I expect? I'm happy and excited to report that this year, we have a personalized tax checklist that you all have access to that outline all your tax slips you're expected to receive. Where do I find my tax slips? Again, new this year, we have easier search functions to find the tax slips you're looking for. How will I receive my tax documents? One thing to note: you are not able to change your mailing preferences or online preferences at this point, as everything has been set until the end of April for this tax season. And lastly, I'll provide a summary and my personal tax filing recommendations. What tax slips can I expect and when? For your registered accounts, RSPs, FHSAs, TFSAs, they would have all been mailed out by the time you're viewing this video. Most of them are mailed out by the end of February, with your last RSP contribution slips mailed out by the middle of March. For your non-registered accounts, this is where things get a little more complicated. Most of the slips are mailed out by the end of February for your T5s and T5008s, but for T3s for trust income, these actually don't have to be mailed or sent out by the third-party companies until the end of March, March 31st. This is why we always strongly recommend to not file your tax return before April 15th, because there could be slips still in the mail that you're waiting to receive. As I mentioned earlier, new this year, we have a personalized tax documents checklist. This is only available online, so you'll need to access it through the portal or the IA Private Wealth app. And I would strongly recommend doing so. This checklist is going to be a really useful tool, as it will outline exactly what slips you're expected to receive, and it will tell you when they're going to be sent out. And it's got a nice little checkbox for you to check off when you get them. Where can I find my tax slips? The Client Online Portal and mobile app, my CRA account, or through the mail, Canada Post. To access the client portal, visit iaprivatewealth.ca, and in the top right-hand corner you can click the Sign In button, which will take you to the client portal login. Once you're signed in, click the Documents section, and from there, we've made it really easy this year. We've got a new button: access all your tax documents for the 2024 fiscal year, and it'll automatically populate all the documents for the tax season. From there, you'll be able to download them all and save them to your computer. Or, just as easily, access all your documents through the IA Private Wealth app. Once you're logged in, if you click the Documents button in the bottom part of the app, you'll see that they're prompting you to automatically access all your tax documents in the same way. Once you select that button, it'll load up all the documents you need for 2024. And you'll be able to download them and save them, or email them, or print them as you desire. As I mentioned earlier, CRA knows exactly how much you owe at tax time because they have all your slips. So you can download them all from your My CRA account. So visit the CRA website, My CRA, log into your portal, and from there, you'll be able to download all the slips. Just click and access Tax Slips, T4, and more, and select 2024, and I would recommend just selecting all slips and then downloading them all from there. The benefit to accessing your T-slips and tax information through CRA is that they won't only have your investment slips, but they'll also have all your other tax slips. For example, your T4 from work. How will I receive my tax documents? You will receive all your tax documents in the mail. That includes all your tax slips from third-party providers and mutual fund companies. We will also mail you all your slips and tax information, unless you have previously selected to receive everything digitally. If you are currently receiving all your statements digital and haven't received any tax slips in the mail yet, you probably want to log in online to access all these documents. My CRA account. All your tax slips are available there online, except for your capital gain loss report, your investment fee report, and your foreign property report. These 3 reports are only available on the IA Private Wealth app or portal, or if you had selected to receive them in the mail, they would have been mailed out to you. Here is a summary of everything we've covered so far. We will provide you with your T-slips from your stocks and ETFs. We will provide you with your gain-loss report, fee report, and foreign property report, if applicable. Third-party companies will mail you all your T-slips for any mutual fund investments. We do not have copies of these. The client portal and mobile app, everything we provide to you is available on these platforms. If you receive everything in physical paper form, everything would have been mailed out to you. My CRA. They have all your T-slips, but not your gain-loss report, your foreign property report, or your investment fee report. As I mentioned earlier, my goal today was to make tax time easier for you. So here are my recommendations. Have your accountant or tax program import all your tax slips from CRA. Download all your tax documents from the IA portal or app and send those to your accountant as well. This will include the gain-loss report, investment fee report, and foreign property report that aren't included on CRA. Review and cross-reference from what you are expecting and have received to what was inputted into your tax return. Make sure you deduct your investment management fees from your non-registered account. Do not file before April 15th. And lastly, review your tax return and notice of assessments once complete and returned. Alternatively, you can fill out CRA's new simplified tax form where you just tell them how much money you made this year and you send it to them. But don't do that. If you have any questions or concerns or you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to us or your advisor at any time. Thank you for watching.